kind of reading between the lines, I feel like what really happened to you, what maybe took you from a 6-figure entrepreneur to 8 figures, and probably you're going to go further, is you have a psychology degree out of real experience. It sounds like you just understand that humans have a role to play, but they need to be incentivized and they need to be put in a structure, and that many of them are happy to operate in a structure as long as it aligns with their personal goals. And so as a leader, you're basically describing a vision to them that is so big that they can find their own life's vision within your vision, and you're incentivizing to stay aligned with you.
Yeah, the other day I was having a conversation with a key member, an annual review with a key member at one of my companies. This is somebody who's been with me for 4 years, has a ton of talent, very good at what they do. And I said, can you see yourself running this company someday? What are your goals? Like, where do you want to be 5 years from now? We can work our way backwards, but just so I know, like, do you think that like C-suite CEO is something that you would thrive in? Is it something you even want? And he responded, no, I don't think I would want that. I don't want all the problems to come to me. I love my work, but it's not the most important thing in my life. I love other things too. I'm not addicted to the game like you are, is one of his direct quotes. And that's fine. That's great. You need people like that in your organization. He's a phenomenal high performer, adding way more value to our company than what we pay him in a salary. And it's just not everybody has the same goals and vision that you have as an entrepreneur.
What do you think is an appropriate ratio where you just said, okay, he's adding significantly more value compared to the salary? Like, what is the ratio that the company actually needs to survive? Like, how much value does an individual contributor in multiples need to create?
I would think that you need to be making in revenue at least double what you're paying somebody in salary, even if we go down all the way down to hourly jobs. If you're paying somebody, let's say you're paying somebody $20 an hour to mow lawns for you, your all-in cost of that employee is going to be $26, $27 after payroll, taxes, vacation days, all the other, all the overhead of having an employee. So you need to be charging $54 an hour. If it's $27 an hour of expenses, you need to be billing their time at least $54 an hour while they're on the job to be making a healthy profit. Because then the rest of your overhead comes in, and you're going to end up with a business that has 20 to 30% margins.
Yeah. And kind of going back to what you said, it's basically you as the leader, one of your key things that you have to take care of is make sure that the people are comfortable in what they're doing and that it aligns with what they're looking to do. You cannot put the person that doesn't want to be in C-level just because you need them there. Like, you actually need to try to make a sustainable fit to grow.
That's one of the hard things about running a business, for sure, is that what you want and what you need is often at odds of what other people want and need. And you have to find a way to create those win-win situations.